L-Town Brown.
He fucked up too many times, so I put a bullet in his eye and two in the side of his head to make sure he was dead. And I loved him.
It's L-Town Brown.
In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king.
Come on, son, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit.
L-Town Brown.
That day on, if I was going somewhere, I was running.
Everybody runs.
Passing the grab. I've got 92 cats and they're all named Fluffy.
Freedom's another word for death.
L-Town Brown.
You found blood in the back of your truck. Where were you on April 28, 2010?
I smoke weed every day of my life. I don't give a shit.
Let's do this, dude.
L-Town Brown.
You'll pay for this!